In order to change ringtone volume on Nothing Phone 3A, we need to go to Settings. Next, in the settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Sound and Vibration. And then we have Ring Volume over here. We can move left and right in order to adjust the volume of the ringtone. So, besides that, we can also use volume up or down. So use any of these buttons in order to show this slider, and you can press this arrow over here that we have in this place in order to reveal more sliders, and we can adjust the ringtone volume over here as well. So this is the icon for volume for the ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!